Hi everyone and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today we're going to look at two more tools from the Sandbox tool collection. The first one is from Scratch, how we can create a terrain mesh from scratch using a baseline grid. And the second one is Smoove. It's how to create the terrain and moving the actual geometry up or down to create different shapes. So the first one we're going to choose from Scratch, click on this, look down to the right, and this is grid spacing, how much between each grid line. And as default it's on 3000. Yeah, we can try it out and see how it looks. I'll start in the origin, and then when I pull this down you see these little lines start to appear. That's my grid spacing. So if I zoom out a bit, and we can click around there and then follow the green axis, and now you see it appearing in real time, my terrain. It's only a flat terrain at the minute. It looks like this. So that's the from Scratch. Then if we select this and right click and go to edit group, now we have access to all the different squares. And this tool, Smoove, when we click it, we have to give it a radius first, and the bigger the radius, the softer the curves. So we'll try 5000 and see how it looks. So you see this little icon now, it's got the up and down arrows. If I hold down the left mouse button and pull it up, it takes that line and the ones connected around it, the closest ones around, like this. Select another one, take Smoove. So if I look at this now, what it's created, if I increase the radius to maybe 10,000 instead, now it takes even more of the surrounding polygons, so a little bit softer. We take here, Smoove. You can see the difference between the first one I did and then this one. It's a lot more smoother. Smoove. Pull it up like this. So we're just creating our own terrain. And you don't have to go up, you can also go down like this. Select the square, go to the Smoove button and pull it down instead. And then you can also apply material to the whole thing. If you select it and take, I can put grass on here, and I created my own terrain. There I could place a house on this, or a new housing estate, or yeah, whatever you like. So that's two more tools from the Sandbox tools, from Scratch and the Smoove tool. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.